Sanitation and Irrigation, Joseph Wairago, says they are aware of individuals who have been drying taps, especially in Nairobi, and that they are drafting measures to end the menace. Residents of Nairobi City County have had major water challenges, with some estates going without water for weeks and even months. Wairago issued the warning while commissioning the Minja Kabugi water project in Githunguri, Kiambu County.
Na tumeanza miradi ya kuchimba boreholes as a temporary measure, tukigojea ile maji ambayo itatoka ile damu tunataka kutengeneza Kinare ambaye itatupatia suluhu ya maisha.
We have mapped out all the water boosters and all the exhausters, sewerage exhausters. And if you have been very keen, we actually gazetted that exercise. We want to have an app. It will be like when you want to get an exhauster, you want to be water brought to you, there will be an app that you can log in. And you can be able to get the nearest water booster near you, the exhauster near you, so that we know where you draw water and where those people who have exhausters exhaust, because that's the most critical thing. And that program is being launched any time now. It will be like the model like the Uber, you know, the Uber technology. That if you want a taxi right now, you can be able to get on your cell phone and you can get one. Even on the management of the water boosters and the exhausters, then they have all registered. And they are working very closely with the NTSA. They are all registered, and we shall be able to know where each water booster is and where each exhauster is.
Now, Nairobi Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko